What lessons learned would you share? The do's, the don'ts.
Feel like my thunder was stolen. I agree with everything Todd and Bill said. I'll just say on the do's side, I mean, like I said, get alignment with both IT and finance, absolutely critical. Share and communicate early and often. It's so easy for folks to get out of the loop because when you decide to go this route, you can make things happen very, very quickly. Champions within different groups are key. Like I'm blown away by some of the folks within our midstream and our finance teams, what they can do with this tool. It's incredible. Um, Having a training strategy is so important. There's two aspects of training. One is the tools. You need to know how to use Excel and Power BI really well, or whatever your visualization tool is. The other part is, by its nature, JDE has a ton of data in it. There's a ton of fields, there's a ton of tables, there's a ton of measures. It takes a while to learn them all. So having a robust strategy about how you're going to educate folks on how to leverage it is very, very important. And then the last little do is, if there's SOX or other governance things you need to take care of, make sure that you think about those things up front so that you can deal with them and then they don't become the bottleneck for you. On the don't side, I know that we've got pretty much every perspective that Preferred Strategies offers on our JD instance, but it's not necessary to go to the nth degree, in my view, of building out each one of those perspectives before rolling it out. We focused heavily on the general ledger perspective, and the other ones are available to folks with the understanding that those things still, are going to need time to AltaGasify, if you will, for our flavor of data and the customizations we've made to JDE. And also make sure you have lots of time booked for testing and validation. It's also a great training technique, is when people have to test it, they have to learn how to use it too. And all of these things I think have driven huge adoption for our group.